Hello guys, this is ThaxC2K and this is me part of me MCM unboxings. I got this as a bit of a promotion wise by subscribing to a magazine, and so this I had to. Platinum edition, blitzwing of an astrotrain, two of the awesome triple changes for the Decepticons, so I thought it was a no-brainer. Right, let's open her up and get these guys out. Looks like they've come from my era, or the 80s. So get the guns out. Yeah, crate. God, they make sellotape good these days. And I popped it. And I'm a bullet missing already. Hurrah! It'll turn up somewhere, I'll find it. So your instructions. Let's put this back in its home. If you're not familiar with the characters wise, blitzwing was the they're both just triple changes, where you could go from tank to plane to robot, and I fired the other bullet, or missile. There's the tank part, his plane part, and I'll pause and show you them in a minute. And this one's astrotrain. He was the carrier for the Decepticons. He's part plane, part he's the shuttle, the train, and also the robot. So I am just going to put these in the alternative modes now, if you just give me a sec. Right, after some fun playing about with these, they're the alternative versions to the tank and the actual train, astrotrain and the tank. So I shall now perform the next act and trying to get these into robot form. Wish me luck. And here you have it. You've got astrotrain and blitzwing in robo form. Obviously, compared to as it was, as they are today. Back in my day, this would have been absolutely, the dog's testicles, really. Just brilliant. But obviously, you see how aged they are. With the, even, the multi-changeability was, ahead of its time for figure-wise. This is just, simple colour design. But at the end of the day, they still rule. and for, you know, additional promotion item being given, can't really complain. So rightio guys, this is ThexT2K, and this has been my little review for the triple changes. See you later.